Everybody welcome on the board. Your captain.
Karyang? Cyprus and Karyang?
We have like 3.5 hours driving.
Mumot and
Rovnik.
Panya.
Are you going to stop along the way?
Yes.
Okay.
We will stop.
Stop with a nice view.
Wow.
What?
Croatia. Ayan. From Split all the way to Stun and then papunta kami ng Dovbrok. Ano yun? Ano daw yun? Ang hirap naman. So nag-stop over kami dito driving for 3 hours. Dubrovnik. Ayusin ko nga, tingnan ko nga yung ano namin, yung itinerary kung anong pangalan talaga niya. Dubrovnik pala yung puntahan namin. 3 city yung pinuntahan namin dito sa Croatia. Wall. Ako parang hindi kaya akyatin yan ah. 30? Di ba may 30 minutes tayo?
Ako naman
Ito yung church sa Thun, Croatia. Ayoko dyan, presuhan pala dyan. Naluka ako. O, dito na naman. Hoy, coffee! Kuha tayo ng coffee sa ano, Croatia. Kasi ang popular dito daw sa Croatia is coffee. Masarap ang coffee. Pero hindi pa namin na-try. Day 2. Today. Pero hindi pa namin na-try yung coffee nila. Bumili ako ng 3-in-1. Saka yung coffee sa hotel. Yun lang. Pero gusto ko i-try yung ano nila. Ayan. Dito po kami sa Stun. Ito yung place dito sa Croatia na second stop, second day. Welcome to Dovbrnik. Dovbrnik. Wow, beautiful. Very beautiful. Yun ba yung ano, international ano? Ay, hindi. Malit pa yan.
I know. We go with Vans. And everybody's like, "Ah."
Diba yung cruise gang na ano, international cruise gang? Ay, dili man ni. Ay, murag isa pud ni. Isa pud ni pero dili kay ni siya dako. Wow.
Oh, Seven Seas Grandeur. Ano nito siya?
Wow.
Oh, there we go.
Mediterranean lang ito.
Tower that was the walls were built well. The oldest part started even in the 11th century, and then continued throughout several centuries until the 16th century. So it took 5 centuries to complete the walls in this present shape.
Ay, wow.
And as you can see, there is this round-shaped lower parts of the bastions that were added in the period when there was a danger or fear of the danger of the invasion of the Ottoman Empire, the Turkish Empire. That happened in the 15th century when, of course, after the fall of Constantinople, Istanbul today, of course, the Ottoman Empire was spreading over the Balkans, and they fact, according to the, of course, historic information, this part of that Croatia is the coastal part of Croatia. Yeah. So he was famous builder in the 15th century, and he built the top of the tower as well. If you are fans of the Game of Thrones, are there any fans in it?
Yeah.
So the tower.
Mali yata ako ng
Are
pasok.
there some dragons I can hear? No?
Yeah, I heard the dragons.
The top was the scene when Daenerys was looking for her dragons. They were taken by the people of the city of Park, the government, you know, the magicians.
Nasa dragon na
They were
naman tayo.
captivated.
Akala ko tapos
And
na
she
tayo.
was walking around the tower looking for the dragon. Okay. Anyway, if you are fans, I recommend what is the best thing to visit, and I'll show you on the city maps. I've got the city maps, but of course this is just a normal tour, but I can mention some locations that are famous in the Game of Thrones as well. And there's a map for you, you can share. Who would like to have a map? I've got more maps. Here you are. And just a moment. Okay.
Tigin ako, pakuhaan ako hilagway karon sa parkang nilad kayo.
Here you are. Okay, it's folded. Would you like to have a map with you?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry. It is. I'll show you everything. Okay. Do you need a?
No, it's okay, we can share. Thank you.
I do have some more maps in case you like. Just tell
okay.
me.
No,
Okay.
we can
If you
share.
need.
We can share, it's okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Excuse me.
So,
Thank you.
welcome. So we can see the place. First of all, we should see where the parking is. Yes, on the map. It's called Busha parking.
Naapod pa sa nila, inanap para nila ako sa
Busha,
uniform.
it comes from the Italian word which means hole. Busha. The return ticket, but today it's not the best day for the cable car. You see a lot of sort of mist, yeah, that hides the view. You can't really see much.
Oh, yeah.
Because of this mist.
The fog?
Anyway,
Till what time?
No, not today, because it's not nice weather.
what is the question? When
Until when?
the cable
until-
car
yeah.
works? It works all day, except there's strong wind, then they stop working. And I don't think the view is perfect today. In case you like to do it, you know where it is. The return ticket is 27 euros, two-way ticket. It takes only 3 minutes to get to the top.
Okay.
To enjoy the view, but you can't
Yeah.
Sorry. So, dear guests, from this point there is a great view of the island lock room that is not inhabited, be careful. And the drawbridge is hidden in that way, but we'll cross that bridge as well. And just for your information on the island lock room, that was used as the city of Kart in the Game of Thrones, yes. Today it's not a perfect day for swimming, but when weather is nice, many people go swimming on that beautiful island. There is a botanical garden, some ruins for French fort and so on. Well, the drawbridge from the 15th century was called, you will see that the magazine said it is. And it's closed again every evening at 6 in the morning. So the gates of Villa and Poche were locked and the citizens found very safe inside. Ruins are beneath the cathedral. So it was Ragusa, the name of the sort of a peninsula that is from the Greek word Ragusa, meaning rocky peninsula, rocky island. So there is Ragusa Sicily, that's the same origin, Greek origin. And many islands on the Croatian coast, the names originate from Greek times. So Greek dear guests, since we are all filming, let me explain. This is the statue of our patron, Saint Blaise. So the statues of our patron holding the city can be seen on many palaces on the city walls, all important buildings. Saint Blaise has been protecting the city over 1,050 years.
Wow.
Okay, and there is a church of Saint Blaise on the main square in the middle of the city, which I'll show you.